What's up, guys? Welcome to another YouTube tutorial. Today we're learning how to play the song We the Kingdom. Child of Love by We the Kingdom. Okay, and this song is really easy to play. It's only got 3 chords. What we're going to do today is we're going to learn a couple of things. We're going to learn the little riff that comes after that little funky riff, and we're going to learn the easy chord progression. We're first going to go through a little walkthrough that's going to be quick, and then we're going into detail into all the parts. So if you more advanced and you can learn really quickly, then just watch the walkthrough and that'll be enough for you. But then later in the video you can click on the timestamps in the description. We are going to go deeper into the parts and how to play the chords and that. Then in the end we're going to do an advanced section where we're going to look at more advanced ways to play this song if you don't want to just stick with the basic 3-4 chords in the song. Okay, so let's. You can download the PDF for the song in the description, and then you can follow along with me. But I am going to put it on the screen as well, so you can see what I'm looking at. Okay, so the basis of the song is just 3 chords: G, F, C, and then back to G, and you do 4 beats on each. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that just repeats all the way throughout for the verses, for the post-chorus, the pre-chorus, or there's not a pre-chorus in the song, for the verse. The only place where it changes is in the bridge, where it's that part. Nothing can change the way you love me. Nothing can change the way. Then it's G, C, D, C, G. G, C, D, C, D, C, G. I'm just gonna play that part for you because those chord changes are a little bit different. Nothing can change the way you love me. Nothing can change. I do. Nothing can separate. So let me just do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing can change the way you love me. Nothing can change the way I belong to you. Yes, I do. Nothing can separate. Okay, so that's it for the walkthrough, the little walkthrough that we just did. That's basically the song. Okay, so let's go into detail into the different parts quickly. Okay, so I'm going to give you a little bit of a close-up here. So for the intro, you'll notice the chords that I put on the sheet is actually G. Let's zoom in here. So the chords for the intro are... G, F slash G, C slash G, G. Now, what that means is basically if you have a bass player, right, the bass player will be playing these notes while the rest of the band plays an F and a C. So as a guitar player, you can just learn G, F, C, and G, okay? And like I said, yeah, the bass keeps playing the G throughout, except in the chorus the bass goes over to the normal notes. Okay, so here we go. Let me go back here. Okay, so we're going to just quickly go through the chords. G, everybody knows G already. What I do is I mute the 5th string. It just sounds a bit cooler for me. Or you could play a G like that, and alternatively you can play it without your pinky, with just the ring finger, if that's what you like. But it all depends on what you like, what it sounds like to you. Okay, then we can go to an F. Okay, so first off, a basic F looks like this. Just those 3 notes. You can also play the 2 notes here if you want to get a thicker sound. You can also lift up your ring finger one, put your pinky underneath it, like that. Make sure to not play the thick E string, otherwise it won't sound good. Okay, or you can go to a proper lacquer big F, like that. So just to sum that up, G and F. Now you can also play the bottom string open and makes it F major 7. It's really nice. I was walking the wayside, and then it makes it easy to go to C, which is the next chord. Lost on a lonely road. So I was chasing the high life, trying to satisfy my soul. Now there are 2 ways you can play C. You can play it like this, or you can take the ring finger up and put the pinky there. That's a C/G. Alright? Really nice chord as well. Okay, later we're going to go into more advanced chords, but those are the basic chords. And in the advanced section we go through some more interesting ways to play the chords. Alright, now in the bridge of this song, it's nothing can take. Where's the bridge? Where's the bridge? Where's the bridge? We use this G and C, okay, and D, which you can use a D sus4. That means you just keep your pinky there. Okay, so G, C. Remember to mute the top string. D. All right, and back to G. Okay, so. The bridge is simple, right? Okay, I think that's it for the chords. Okay, now for the strumming of this song, you can get by with just doing down, down, down strumming. So just, let me just go to a section of the song that I like. I'm gonna climb a mountain, I'm gonna shout about it, I am a child of love. I found a friend of Jesus, I am a child of love. Yeah, I'm gonna climb a mountain, I'm gonna shout about it, I am a child of love. So you can just down, 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 down. And then later you can palm mute the strings a little bit. So you just put your hand here on the bridge, and then the bridge is this little white part here, actually this whole thing here, but you just put it on this white piece there, just like a karate chop. Wacha! And then you got your G. So pretty fun stuff. Later you can get into strumming like this. That's just basically down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. Let's do it slowly. Down, 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 up, down, down. Cool, that's it for the strumming. Okay, now I'm going to quickly go over the advanced, for the more advanced players, we're going to do a little bit fun stuff now. Alright, so if you see the chords, the slash chords, if you play them on the guitar, it sounds really nice. So what I like to do, how I'd play the song if I was just playing with my acoustic, is I'll play like, sorry. It's a really nice deep chord. It's an F/G. So if you don't have a bass player, it's really fun to play. But anyway, it sounds like this. I was walking the wayside, lost on a lonely road. left me crying by the way. Yes, and not so light in heaven that been the same. Alright, so that's really nice to play. Also, what you can also do is you can play an F with your thumb here on the E string, and then you lift up this finger now and then to make it sound. And then C, you can add your pinky here at the bottom. Remember to mute the thick E string. That's the riff, by the way, so. It's hammer on the 5th string. You just hammer on, and then you play the 4th string. It's almost like comfortably numb. Anyway, so I am a child of love. So it's hammer on from the 5th string. So, okay, you got that part. I just explained it. And then, so the 4th string you then play twice, and then you hammer it on, and then you play the 3rd string. Okay, let's do slowly. Basically the same thing, just on a different string twice. Okay, so what you can also do with the chords that's really fun is it's G and then F with the C shape and then C with the G shape. Really fun way to play, I think. I'm gonna climb a mountain, I'm gonna talk about it, I am a child. Now for we're still in the advanced section for the bridge, okay. We're going to go. Nothing can change the way you love me. Nothing can change the way. Now, what I said in the beginning of the notes of the song is that the G stays in the bass for the verses, and the intro, and the bridge. Okay, so the bridge. So the bridge is actually a C/G then, the 2nd chord. So it's nothing can change the way you love me. Nothing can change the way. And We the Kingdom love this chord. It's the same. Nice chord to play. So you got ring and pinky, and then these 2 fingers do 2nd string and 4th string. Make sure throughout the thing to mute your 5th string. That's not a string you really want a lot in the key of G, unless you're playing your A minor chord or your D chord. Then you can have that string open. Okay. Otherwise, you want to mute that string most of the time. Okay, so nothing can change the way you love me. Nothing can change the way. The words I belong to you. So if you have a D/G, it sounds like this. Really interesting sound. I belong to you. Yes, I do. You can do that same C/G. Yes, I do. Nothing can separate. Really fun. What you can also do with this part is nothing can change the way you love me. Nothing can change the way I'm in love. C shape, but then you got the open G string ringing out, and with a G in the bass. I belong to you, yes I know, nothing can separate. And the rhythm there is nothing can separate. Cool, I think that's that for this lesson. If you have any questions, comments, put them in the comments. And if you want to learn a specific song, I know We the Kingdom's album is coming out soon. Their debut album, it's coming out I think the 7th of August or somewhere around there. And I'm going to do the tutorial on all of their songs. It's going to be super fun. See you guys soon. Cheers.